All right. We've seen the relatively or poor performance in our national or regional exams, CSEC and Cape Math. What advice do you have for students, regarding mathematics?
Alright, in my opinion, you know, a lot of teachers emphasize practice, but I think that as utter foolishness. There might be a case where the student might practice something over and over and over, and they don't get it. Seek additional help. Reason being, some students, they lack the confidence to go to someone for help. Hence, they try to figure it out on their own, and then trying to figure it out on their own, they do not succeed. So having that sort of drive from someone that understands the content in order to prep you for the exam is good. Other than practicing day by day and not getting it. So practicing, yes, of course it does help, but having someone to be your driving foundation is key.
And also to add is that I do believe that every topic that they teach should be applied to real life situation. I think that doing that will help them to be more grounded, and it shows that they are things that you can apply to, because they normally say that what I'm going to learn the hypotenuse of a triangle is going to do. So applying it to real life would make a good help.
Another thing too is that what could be incorporated within sixth form, a lot of schools don't do it, is called applied mathematics or integrated mathematics. So having that set as a mandatory subject could also build the critical thinking within those students, so when they get into college, they can easily matriculate to solving these both said equations. Sorry for the Jamaican Creole. It's something that has been said, is rather than doing hard maths and then having to matriculate to pure maths, you can just the applied maths and learn the foundation going into college, so they can easily matriculate.
All right.